Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to add your religion to your Tinder profile, making it easier to connect with people who share similar values. So first, open the Tinder app on your mobile device, then navigate to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, simply go and tap on Edit Profile, which is like a pen icon right here. Then scroll down until you see About Me. Tinder does not have a specific option to add religion, but you can add it on your description or bio. Write any religion you want, then go ahead and tap on the arrow icon on the top left corner. And this will update your religion to your profile. And that's it. Adding the religion helps you personalize your profile. Let us know if you found this helpful. Don't forget to comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.